Today we're going to be changing the trunk latch of our 2008 Dodge Charger. Tools you'll need are a flathead screwdriver or pry tool, and a ratchet, socket, and extension, which is 10 millimeters. We have two clips we have to remove before we can get to the mechanism. One is right over here, right up here, and the other one is right here. Ours is broken. Okay, so now that we've done that, we can gain access to the mechanism. You have a power cord going in here. Just take your flathead screwdriver and push down on that and pull it out. That's what you push down on right there. And then we have two 10 millimeter bolts, one right here and one over here. We'll start taking those off. Keep in mind you'll have to release this rubber piece, because this is what actually makes the thing move. So once you're done, you remove this rubber piece from up there, and we'll show you how to do that. Let's get these bolts first. There's one. On this one right here, you have a ground wire coming from the power source. So just have to remember to put that back on once you get your bolt out. You see it right there. Okay. So up here, it's just a little plastic part right here. And you just pull on it. There we go. Okay. So now we have our new mechanism. I'm going to put this new one in. Ours came with the emergency lift already inside the side here. So if yours isn't in there on the cover, you'll have to slide it in there. So now we'll just reverse engineer, do the same thing. Okay, just like that. There we go. Flip our mechanism back in. Okay. Now, got that like that. Let's get our clips. Clip this back in. Get that one there. Give it a try. And that's how you fix the trunk latch on your 2008 Dodge Charger. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.